Check if the mobile data is turned on or not. Or, guess, your internal antenna might need to be serviced or replaced. Well, you may not have it on the correct band, so you should check that one. Or hard reset it *2767 *3855 hash. Else. I had the same problem today. Phone was working fine and then started with the CDMA network not available. I turned the phone off, removed the battery, put it back in and turned the phone back on. It seems to be working okay now. This battery has had some issues anyway, so I'm thinking it needs to be replaced.